you find out what is actually the truth about everything. Don't be afraid of the truth. And most of the time, the truth about most things in the world the way that it is very hurtful, because there's a lot of things, a lot of flaws that black people have themselves. If you tell the truth, just tell it like it is. I mean, we have flaws. We don't interact with each other very well. We must admit that. We are not, we talk about this black love and whatnot. It doesn't exist. We need to face up to that. Now, what do we do about it? Because codification is about what you do. So you start with, okay, that being the case, we don't interact with each other very well. We're very non-constructive when it comes to the way we interact with each other. So what do we do about it? Everything is about doing something.
Mm-hmm.
If you're talking about making what you call progress. So codification is about doing something. What do? You minimize contact, and therefore you minimize conflict. So a person might say, and justifiably so, well, what do you mean minimize contact? You got to have contact. I mean, you're all together and whatnot, and you interact. But what you do is measure how you're going to contact. If you can deliberately have some decisions about how you're going to make deliberate contact, it's the quality of that contact that you can measure. Mm-hmm. You can control that, which means what? You don't make any contact with anybody unless it's going to have a constructive result, and you think about that constructive result before you make that contact. Case in point, I was looking the other day at a movie clip from Boys in the Hood, and something that I have often cited down through the years, a bunch of young black males on a porch. And on this particular scene, they were all on a porch in Los Angeles, I believe. And they were just what you call kicking it, talking back and forth and whatnot. And then a couple of the brothers, I think one brother, they were actual brothers, blood brothers, they got into a fight. And then the other people were, trying to break it up, and some people cheering it on, like black people sometimes do. And then that scene was extended because it had something to do with the Crips and Bloods and gangs. And then a gang car came into the neighborhood, and then they went through that script, which means they started shooting at each other. So these are the kind of contacts that too many black people throughout the world, like right this morning, I looked in the paper in Nigeria. I mean, somebody went into a church and killed a bunch of people, shot a girl's arm off, and all this type of thing. See, contacts, kind of contacts that people make with each other. See, black people carry a lot of poison that's been put there by the white supremacists. So every time we make contact, we have to tell the truth about that. Every time we make contact, there's a certain amount of poison that starts coming to the surface. So we have to understand that and believe it because it's true. Mm-hmm. The evidence shows it.
The evidence shows it.
So therefore, if we plan our contacts in advance and say, look, if I contact you for any reason, it's going to have a constructive result. Nobody's going to be harmed. Everybody's going to be helped. Now, if I can't think of some reason to contact you with that constructive result, then I don't contact you at all, and you don't contact me. We stay away from each other. This old cliche about black people got to get together, no. Black people need to stay away from each other because we're poisonous.